Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to remove the collector assembly from the FID. The first thing you want to do is make sure to cool down the FID and turn off the flame jet going through your GC. This one's obviously turned off. So you have 3 screws that are torqued 20. You start by removing those. Once you loosen those, you unplug the igniter cable from there and gently prop this up, and you could take off the screws, set them to the side, and now you can see the spring and the flame jet down in the FID. And just make sure all this is nice and clean. If you need to clean it out, that would be a good area to clean. And then this, you disassemble it by turning the knurled knob. You remove that part. You'll have to make sure all that's clean. Then you got the collector with the insulator, the top insulator. And make sure all this is nice and clean as well. And then you got one more insulator as well that you can pop out. So all this, you have to make sure it's nice and clean. If you need a wire brush to clean it out, you can do that. Once you've got it cleaned out, same order, just in reverse order. So pop the insulator in, pop your collector with the insulator there, and turn this to the right to tighten it. And you don't need to put a wrench, just hand tighten. And then when you put this back on, you just have to be gentle to have that spring kind of sit between the insulator inside of the collector there. And then you just put the 3 screws back on. And connect your igniter again, and that's it.